Today, I'm going to take you through one of the only 3 bungaloft units at 74 Autumn Ridge Trail. This unit is 1,930 square feet above grade with a main floor master bedroom. It also comes with a fully finished basement, which means additional finished square footage. Bungalofts, vaulted ceilings, large windows. You can change the cosmetics on a home. The architecture is almost impossible, which makes this one a valuable one. The layout is unexpectedly spacious. 2 bedrooms on the main floor, including an oversized master bedroom overlooking protected green space. The 4-piece ensuite has a clever design with shared access to a 2-piece bathroom. Floor-to-ceiling glass showers, granite countertops, and designer tile make this bathroom really pop. The family room not only benefits from the vaulted ceiling, it's a wide open space to the kitchen and has direct patio door access to the covered deck. The kitchen has seen beautiful and practical updates. First of all, lots of cupboard space. Secondly, roller mechanisms to access the covered space. Last but not least, beautiful granite countertops with classy backsplash. The loft is ideally suited as a second semi-private space. Have a look at this. Large open area with balcony view of the family room, updated 3-piece bathroom, and oversized bedroom. This home keeps on going. Check out this finished basement that you could use for just about anything. A large main floor footprint means equally large basement. Excellent entertaining space, warm toned laminate flooring, and electric fireplace focal point. Also, a 4th bedroom, a 4th bathroom. Consistently impressive as the others. And fully finished pantry. Not much more privacy you can ask for. No rear or side neighbors. The backyard is also maintenance free and covered by the condominium.